Hello. I wanted to talk about something that people might not be focusing on yet, but it is inevitable because we are having a crisis in this century similar to no other crisis that we've seen in the form of a health emergency, a human health emergency. But the repercussions of coronavirus is also going to have a very dramatic and unfortunate effect on companion animals across the world, specifically those companion animals where their humans have contracted COVID-19, have become ill and may have died from the disease. Already we've seen 245,629 cases, 10,050 people have already died. And I was sadly pondering how many animals that were living in households where humans were sick and died of this disease, and how many animals are now abandoned or having to be surrendered to shelters or worse, even euthanized because their human family is no longer able to look after them. So I wanted to really send this message around asking you, as not just a human but also as a dog guardian, to please listen to what the health officials are saying to us, listen to our government, follow their advice, and keep yourself safe as much as possible. Your dog depends on you, your companion animal depends on you, and we need humans to stay healthy as possible, so they're still going to be able to look after their companion animals and have their companion animals in their lives. So whilst this isn't a very nice topic to talk about, it is inevitable because we have to stop thinking if we get coronavirus, it's a matter of when each of us is likely to be infected with coronavirus. And so by understanding the disease from that perspective, keeping ourselves as safe as possible and following the health advice that we're given on a daily basis is so crucial. But on a positive note for this video, one of the very nice outcomes of having to self-isolate and be at home is that your dog is going to appreciate you being home. It's going to be a lovely thing for your dog or for your companion animal in general to have you with them during this time. So I want you to take the time to also see this as a time where you can start making time for your dog, start making time to start that training session or make some fun activities, homegrown activities for your dog to keep them occupied during this self-isolation time that we're all trying to adopt as much as possible. And the other thing that this extra time will give you when you're able to spend more time with your dog at home and under these conditions is that you're going to be reconnecting with your dog. And I want you to focus on that as well. It's also important that we keep our community in mind as well, particularly if we have elderly neighbours and they may have pets, companion animals. So it's really important that we all look out for each other and just put a note in somebody's letterbox just to say, are you okay? Do you need any help? Let me know, or I'll pop around and yell out to you, yell out at your front door and see if you're okay. Let me know if you need anything. So turning our attention towards each other and keeping ourselves safe is the most important message that I want to convey in this video. So keep yourself safe because your dog, your cat, your companion animal needs you to be healthy. They need you to be there in their life. And we'll talk again soon.